Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to calculate the square root of any given number using trig, right? Before that, let us see the pattern of squares of any given number. So the number given here is 1 and the square is 1, the square of 2 is 4, that of 3 is 9 and so on, right? Now, since the number here ends in 1, the square is also ending in 1. You can check it in 11 as well. Since the number is ending in 1, the square of that particular number is also ending in 1. In case of 21 as well, this is same, right? In case of 2, the square is ending in 4. So whenever the unit digit of a number is 2, the square of that particular number will always end in 4. In case of 22 also, the square is ending in 4. In case of 3, the number will end in 9. So whenever the unit digit of any number is 3, the square of that particular number will always end in 9. You can see here, in case of 23, in case of 13 as well, right? Whenever a number ends in 4, its square will end in 6. Whenever a number is ending in 4, the square is ending in 6 always. Whenever a number ends in 5, the unit digit of a number is 5, then the unit digit of the square of that particular number will also be 5 only, right? And so on. So, we can say that whenever the unit digit of a number is 1, the unit digit of a square will always be 1. That of 2 will be 4. The number which ends in 3, the square of that particular number will end in 9. 4 will end in 6, 5 will end in 5 and so on. So we have seen here that suppose a number is given as 361. Now we know that this is square of 19, we know, right? But this number is ending in 1, right? Now this can be square of a number which ends in either 1 or 9. Since whenever we have a number which ends in 9 or 1, the square of that particular number will give us 1 always. So this will give us a basic idea of how to calculate the square root, right? Now let us move to the examples. Now suppose we need to calculate the square of 961. Now what we will do is, first of all we'll make pair of 2 from right hand side and that of remaining numbers. Now here we have only one digit, 9. Now since this number is ending in 1, now we know that the square of any number which ends in 1, that number must be either ending in 1 or 9. So this will give us an idea that this 961 is the square of a number which is ending in 1 either or in 9. Now how to find in which of these two the number is ending? Before that, 9. Now since we know that 9 is square of 3, so we will simply write 3 over here. So this number is either square of 31 or 39. Now how to decide between these two? For that, we will check for the middle number. The middle number between 31 and 39 is 35. And the square of 35, we can calculate this by using trig as well. Since the number is ending in 5, its square will end in 25. And 3 into 4 is 12. So the square of 35 is 1225. Now since this number is 961 is less than 1225, so it must be a square of a number which is less than 35. So our answer should be 31 in that case. So 31 square is 961. Now moving to next example. So suppose we need to calculate the square of 9604. Now we will again make pair of 2 and that of remaining numbers. Now this number is ending in 4. So we know that the square root of this number must be having either 2 or 8 at its unit digit. Now again 96. The square number just before 96 is 81 and that is square of 9. So we'll substitute 9 over here. So this number is either square of 92 or 98. Now again, how to find out between these two? So we'll calculate the square of the middle number, that is 95. The square of 95 is 5. So it will end in 25 and 9 into 10 is 90. 9 into 10 will give us 90 and 5 square is 25. So 9025 is square of 95. Right. Now this number 9604 is greater than 9025. So it must be square of a number which is greater than 95. So 9604 is the square of 98. Right. Moving to next example. Suppose now we need to calculate the square of 10404. Again we will make first pair of 2 and that of remaining digits. Now 04. So this number is ending in 4. So it must be square of a number which must be ending in either 2 or 8. Right? So now again, the square number just before 104 is 100 and that is square of 10. So we'll substitute 10 over here. So this number is either square of 102 or 108. Now again, to decide between these two numbers, we'll calculate the square of middle number, that is 105. 105 square is, since this number is ending in 5, so square will end in 25, and 10 into 11. 10 into 11 is 110. So the square of 105 is 11025. Now this number is less than 11025. So it must be square of a number which is less than 105. So this number is square of 102. Right? Moving to next. 14641. Now again, first step is to make pair of 2 and that of remaining digits. Now since this square is ending in 1, so it must be square of a number which must be ending in either 1 or 9. Right? Now again 146. So the square number just before 146 is 144. So that is square of 12. So we will substitute 12 over here. So this number is either square of 121 or 129. Now again, to decide between the two, we'll calculate the square of 125 using the trick. So the square of 125 is 5 into 5 is 25. We'll substitute 25 over here. And 12 into 13 is 156. The square of 125 is 15625, which is greater than this number. So this number must be square of a number less than 125, that is 121. So 121 square is 14641. Moving to next part. We need to find the square of 36864. First step, we'll make pair of 2 and that of remaining part. The number is ending in 4. So the square root of this number must be ending in either 2 or 8. 368. So the square number just before 368 is 361 and that is square of 19. We'll substitute 19 over here. So this number is either square of 192 or 198. Now to find out between these two numbers, we'll calculate the square of 195, the middle number. 195 square is 5. So this square will end in 25. 19 into 20 is 380. So this is 19 into 20. 380. So the square of 195 is 38025. Now this number is less than 38025. So it must be square of a number which is less than 195. So the answer is 192. So 192 square is 36864. 62500. First pair of 2 and that of remaining numbers. Now 00. We know that 0 at the end of the square is only possible in case if the number is also ending in 0. So the unit digit of the number is 0. Now 625 is square of 25. So we will simply substitute 25 over here. Right? So the answer to this question is 250. Next, 95481. First pair of 2 and that of remaining digits. Now since the square is ending in 1, it must be square of a number that must be ending in either 1 or 9. Now to find out the tens digit, 954. The square number just before 954 is 900 and that is square of 30. We will substitute 30 over here. So this number is square of either 301 or 309. Now to find out between these two, we'll calculate the square of 305. 305 square is, since the number is ending in 5, the square will end in 25 and 30 into 31 is 930. So the square of this number is 93025. Now this number is more than this number 93025. So it must be square of a number which is greater than 305. That is 309 is the number. Right? So next is 7921. We'll make pair of 2. 1. So since the square is ending in 1, so the square root of this number must be ending in either 1 or 9. Right? 79. The square number just before 79 is 64, that is square of 8. So we'll substitute 8 over here. So this number is square of either 81 or 89. Now to find out between these two, we'll calculate the square of 85. The square of 85 is nothing but 5 square will end in 25. Now 8 into 9 is 72. 7225. Now since this number is greater than 7225, so it must be square of 89. So I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching the video.